Divorce. The people involved might be, but the topic itself is not sexy. And because it can be an uncomfortable topic to talk about, people oftentimes don't plan correctly for it, which can be the difference between saving and losing a lot of money and time during the process. Here to help me explain this in more detail is my friend and real estate attorney, Morgan DeNoers with Pitt Frank Attorneys, to run through the top 3 things that you need to be aware of when you're selling a piece of real estate before, during, and after getting a divorce. Over to you, Morgan.
Thanks, Sam. The first thing that I would think about as far as marriage, divorce, and real estate goes is the difference between separation versus divorce. A lot of people think that when they're going to go buy another house, being separated from their ex or soon-to-be ex-spouse is enough. You want to make sure that you have a final divorce decree that actually gets rid of dower rights. The second thing to think about is going to be those same dower rights. Whenever you get married, your spouse has a 50% interest in any real property that you own in your name. So you could buy a piece of property unmarried, then you get married, that person's not on title, but they still have an interest in your property. You can't waive it. You can sign 1,000 different kinds of pieces of paper that says 1,000 different things saying that you waive this and waive that. It doesn't matter. Dower rights cannot be waived in Kentucky. And then the third thing is a little dower rights loophole. So if you're currently in the process of getting divorced, but you want to go buy a piece of property, maybe for yourself to live in once that divorce is final, to be able to get around having your soon-to-be ex sign the documents with you, you simply get someone who you trust to sign both the title of the property, so that's going to be the deed, and the mortgage. That way you don't have to have your soon-to-be ex-spouse sign those documents with you.
When it comes to big life transitions that have real legal and financial repercussions, you want pros in your corner that know the best and most efficient ways to move through those processes. So if you have any questions about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, don't hesitate to reach out to Morgan and myself. We'd be happy to help guide you through that process.